how to solve 2 by 2 using Ortega method. So let's start. First, you solve the first face. And the face colors should not be matching. See that these colors are not matching. Next step is solving the top face. So let's start off by doing the first case. It's the first case. So the way you recognize it is by seeing a yellow sticker on top and a yellow sticker on the left, on the second layer. And this is the left side zoom. So the way you do it is L prime, U prime, L, U prime, L prime, U2, L. This is the complete opposite of the last case because the yellow sticker is on the left side instead of the right side. And this yellow sticker is on the left side instead of the right side. So let's do it. This is the right side. So you do R, U prime, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. The third case. The way you recognize it is by seeing one bar here and a yellow sticker here. And the way you solve it is by doing F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Then you do the same thing again. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. The fourth case is similar to the last case, except you just do one F, R, U, R prime. So the way I recognize it is one bar here, yellow bar, and one bar here. And this is how you do it. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Fifth case. The way you solve it is by seeing the yellow bar on top and a yellow sticker right here. So let's do the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. It's a sixth case. So let's see how you recognize it. You see two opposite stickers, then you see stickers on this side, on the empty squares. And that's how you recognize it. And the way you solve it is by doing F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R. The last OLL case. So let's do it. So the way you recognize it is by seeing one yellow bar here and one yellow bar here. And the way you solve it is by pushing it right here and doing R2, U2, R, U2, R2. Now we're going to be doing the PBL and PLL stage. So if you see one bar here and one bar here and everything else is unsolved, then do this alone. R2, U prime, U2, U2, R2, U prime, R2. Then you just solve it. If you only see one solid bar and no other solid bars, put the solid bar to the top, like this. Then do this all. R, U prime, R, F2, R prime, U, R prime. It's the first PLL case. So if you get this case, and it looks like this, a solved bar right here, and everything else unsolved, do this all. R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime.